You can expect a lot from the 2016 Ford Focus. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback has just over 80,000 miles. All of the following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.